The tripod is relatively quickly done. Step 1, which you can do before or after varnishing, as you could apply a layer of varnish on top of the leather shoe. Glue the leather with contact glue and use the small nails to really attach them to the wood. Next, glue in the brass bolt into the bottom leg. For the bottom leg you have 3 pieces, for the middle and top you have 6 pieces. Glue in that bolt with super glue. Place it in the center and let the super glue run into the gaps. In this animation we have the tripod all together, but as described in the PDF, the 3 elements should be glued separately. Varnish them and then assemble them. So as you can see here, we take the 2 long dowels and connect the tripod legs with the middle piece, all glued together. The top legs are connected with these plates. Glue them together and add screws where we have the markings on each side. You can see here how we later assemble the tripod with the bolts and nuts. The biggest on the top, the smallest on the bottom. Above the small plates comes the tripod belt. We have 2 versions, one with a groove where the belt fits inside and one without. In this video you see the belt is resting in a groove. In the middle of this you have to screw in the longest screws we provide and let them stick out about 6 mm. Later on you can fasten your belt on these screws. If you don't have the grooves, you can choose your own position. We suggest roughly 5 cm above the small plate. Let's see it all again on the different legs so you get familiar with it. The plate consists of 2 round elements. Glue them together and add the dowels on the top. And glue all the hook-shaped parts. Once all is dry, you add the plate to the legs and use the biggest bolts we provided. The dowels on the top are too long. Once your glue is dry, cut them down to maximum 4 mm. They correspond with the holes you have on the bottom of your box.